Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Troubleshooting routers and modems. Test your Wi-Fi on different devices. Restart your modem and router. Try a different Ethernet cable. See who's using your Wi-Fi. Upgrade your equipment. Call your internet service provider. Reset your router to default settings.
Take our lead.
The first thing you'll want to do is try and restart your router. It is quick and easy to reboot your router. Usually, you just unplug the power cable, give it a couple of seconds, and then plug it back in. If your modem is separate, you might also want to do the same with your modem's power source.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rebooting your router and modem is one of the first things you should do when your Wi-Fi isn't working. To reboot these devices, unplug the power cord from the back of each device and wait for at least 30 seconds before plugging them back in. After waiting 30 seconds, plug your modem in first.
Take our lead.
Unable to access internet? Top 5 steps to get back online now. Call your internet service provider, ISP. The first step is to rule out any area-wide problems with your ISP. Reboot your network bridge. Find your cable, DSL modem or T1 router and power it down. Ping your router. Try to ping your router's IP address.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Wi-Fi protected setup. Wi-Fi protected setup, WPS, is a built-in feature of many routers that make it easier to connect Wi-Fi-enabled devices to a secure wireless network. This information is provided to help connect your TV, Blu-ray disc player, or other supported home video products to a wireless network using WPS.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sometimes the Wi-Fi connected but no internet error comes to a problem with the 5 GHz network, maybe a broken antenna, or a bug in the driver or access point. Right-click on Start and select Network Connections. Select Change Adapter Options. Open your network adapter by double-clicking on the Wi-Fi adapter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.